Welcome to this mindfulness meditation designed specifically for students. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by academic pressures or seeking better focus for your studies, this session will help you cultivate calm and clarity. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your body to settle into a state of relaxation. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Feel the weight of your body grounding you into the present moment. With each inhale, draw in calmness and relaxation. With each exhale, release any anxiety or distractions. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment of stillness. Now let's bring our focus to the present. Imagine you are in a quiet, peaceful study space, a place where you feel calm and focused. Picture this space clearly in your mind. Notice the details, the light, the colors, and the overall atmosphere. Let this mental image create a sense of calm and readiness for studying. As you breathe deeply, start to tune into your thoughts. Notice any worries or concerns that may be on your mind. Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment, and then gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, it's natural for thoughts to arise. The key is to bring your attention back to the present moment with kindness and patience. Now let's practice a mindfulness exercise to enhance focus. Picture yourself sitting at your desk with your study materials in front of you. Imagine starting your study session with a clear and focused mind. Visualize yourself working through your tasks with ease and concentration. See yourself absorbing information and making steady progress. Feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction with each step you take. As you continue to breathe deeply, let's do a mental check-in with our bodies to find any areas where we're holding stress. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations or areas of tension. Gently release any tightness you may feel. Slowly move your focus down through your forehead, eyes, and jaw, letting go of any remaining tension. Allow this feeling of relaxation to flow through your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of your shoulders lifting as you exhale. Now direct your attention to your arms, hands, and fingers. Let go of any tightness or discomfort in these areas. Feel your arms becoming relaxed and heavy. Move your focus to your chest and abdomen. With each breath, feel your chest rise and fall, and allow any stress in this area to melt away. Visualize a soothing, calming light filling your torso, bringing comfort and ease. Continue this process by focusing on your hips, thighs, and knees. Release any tightness or discomfort, allowing your legs to become relaxed and heavy. Finally, bring your attention to your feet and toes. Feel a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, anchoring you firmly and securely. As you focus on this sense of grounding, imagine the stress and distractions melting away, leaving you with a clear and calm mind. Feel the sense of stability and support beneath you, providing a solid foundation for your studies. Now let's work on a mindful breathing technique to help enhance your focus. Take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, also counting to 4. Repeat this cycle a few times, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into a state of relaxation and concentration. As you practice mindful breathing, let go of any lingering thoughts about tasks or deadlines. Trust that you will address these concerns with clarity and focus when the time is right. For now, embrace the calmness and centeredness you are cultivating. To conclude our session, take a few moments to reflect on the calm and clarity you have achieved. Recognize that you can return to this state of mindfulness whenever you need it. Remember that each time you practice, you are strengthening your ability to manage stress and enhance focus. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and focus with you as you continue with your day. Trust in your ability to handle academic challenges with a clear and centered mind. Thank you for joining this mindfulness meditation. May you feel balanced, focused, and at ease. Have a productive day filled with pure peace.